Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. Today's episode is about places I want to visit. I will speak slowly. I will use simple words. I will give many examples. I will help you practice English. This is a voice lesson. You can listen and repeat. You can practice with me. Travel is fun. Travel helps you learn new words. Travel helps you meet new people. Travel helps you see new places. Today we will talk about many places. We will talk about cities. We will talk about nature. We will talk about food. We will talk about reasons to visit a place. We will use short sentences. We will practice simple phrases. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen and repeat. You can use this example to make your own introduction. Hello. My name is Anna. I am from Brazil. I am a student. I like travel. I want to visit Japan. I want to see the cherry trees. I want to try sushi. I want to learn about the people. I want to take many photos. I hope to visit Japan next year. What about you? You can say your name. You can say your country. You can say one place you want to visit. You can say why you want to go. Now please repeat this short introduction with me. Repeat after me. Hello. My name is Anna. I am from Brazil. I like travel. I want to visit Japan. I want to see the cherry trees. I want to try sushi. You can pause the video and repeat the sentence that you heard. Pause now if you want. Practice is very good. I will give another example. Hello. My name is Marco. I am from Italy. I work as a teacher. I love history. I want to visit Egypt. I want to see the pyramids. I want to learn about ancient life. I want to take a boat on the Nile. I hope to go this year. Repeat after me. Hello. My name is Marco. I am from Italy. I love history. I want to visit Egypt. I want to see the pyramids. I want to learn about ancient life. You can pause the video and repeat this sentence now. Here is a polite way to ask a question about travel. Repeat after me. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to travel? What place do you like? I will say each sentence slowly. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to travel? What place do you like? You can pause and say your answer. I will give an example answer. I will say it slowly. I will speak clearly. My answer is simple. I want to visit Paris. I want to see the Eiffel Tower. I want to walk in the small streets. I want to eat bread and cheese. I want to visit a museum. I want to sit in a cafe. I want to hear French music. I want to learn a few words in French. Repeat after me. I want to visit Paris. I want to see the Eiffel Tower. I want to eat bread and cheese. You can pause and repeat now. I will share many places now. I will give short sentences about each place. Listen and repeat if you like. You can pause anytime. I want to visit New York. I want to see tall buildings. I want to visit museums. I want to see Broadway shows. I want to taste many foods. I want to walk in Central Park. I want to visit London. I want to see the big clock. I want to walk on old streets. I want to visit museums and parks. I want to drink tea. I want to visit Rome. I want to see old ruins. I want to taste pizza. I want to visit a small gelato shop. I want to see the Colosseum. I want to visit Kyoto. I want to see temples and gardens. I want to learn about tea ceremonies. I want to see the cherry blossoms in spring. I want to visit Sydney. I want to see the big opera house. I want to walk on the harbor. I want to feel the warm sun. I want to visit Bali. I want to see green rice fields. I want to relax on the beach. I want to learn yoga. I want to visit Iceland. I want to see waterfalls. I want to see the northern lights. I want to feel the cold air and the hot baths. I want to visit Rio de Janeiro. I want to see the big statue on the mountain. I want to hear samba music. I want to go to the beach. I want to visit Cairo. I want to see the pyramids and the Sphinx. I want to visit an old market. I want to ride a camel. I want to visit Nairobi. I want to go on a safari. I want to see lions and elephants. I want to take many photos of animals. I want to visit Peru. I want to see Machu Picchu. I want to walk on old trails. I want to learn about ancient culture. I want to visit Santorini. I want to see white houses on a cliff. I want to see the blue sea. I want to eat fresh fish. I want to visit Seoul. I want to taste Korean food. I want to visit a palace. I want to learn a few words in Korean. I want to visit Vancouver. I want to walk in the forest. I want to see mountains and sea. I want to feel fresh air. I want to visit Lisbon. I want to ride a small tram. I want to taste fish dishes. I want to listen to old songs. I want to visit Istanbul. I want to visit bazaars. I want to see old mosques. I want to taste sweets. I want to visit Rome again. I want to see art. I want to feel history in the streets. I want to sit and drink coffee. Now I will give more sample sentences that you can use. Repeat after me slowly. I will say each sentence 2 times. I want to visit that city because it has good food. I want to visit that city because it has good food. I want to visit that city because it has a beautiful beach. I want to visit that city because it has a beautiful beach. I want to visit that city because it has old buildings. I want to visit that city because it has old buildings. I want to visit that city because I want to meet new people. I want to visit that city because I want to meet new people. I want to visit that city because I want to try new food. I want to visit that city because I want to try new food. You can change the word city to country or island. You can change the reason word. Try this now. Pause the video and make your own sentences. Pause now if you want time. We will practice some useful verbs and phrases. These are short and easy. Repeat after me. I want to go. I want to go. I would like to visit. I would like to visit. I hope to travel. I hope to travel. I plan to save money for travel. I plan to save money for travel. I would love to try local food. I would love to try local food. Now I will say some questions you can ask. Repeat after me. Where do you want to go? Where are you from? What places do you like? Which country do you want to visit? How long do you want to stay? These questions are simple. You can use them to talk to a friend. Now I will show a longer example of a monologue. This is like a short speech about travel. Listen and repeat. You can pause and repeat any sentence. Hello everyone. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I love travel. I want to see many places. I want to visit Paris. I want to visit Tokyo. I want to visit Rome. I want to visit many small towns too. I like cities and nature. I like mountains and beaches. I want to learn new languages. I want to try new food. I want to meet new people. I want to take many photos. I want to learn about history. I want to feel the culture. I want to go with friends or family. I want to travel alone sometimes. I want to plan a trip next year. I will save money for my trip. I will learn a few words in the local language. I will read a small travel guide. I will make a list of places to see. I will check the weather. I will pack light bags. I will try new food. I will walk and explore. I will talk to people. I will be friendly. I will be safe. I will enjoy the trip. Thank you for listening. You can use this monologue to make your own speech. Change the places and the reasons. Change the verbs if you like. Practice again and again. Now some vocabulary words about travel. I will say each word in a short sentence. Repeat after me. City. I like the city. Country. I want to visit that country. Beach. I like the beach. Mountain. I want to climb a mountain. Island. I want to visit an island. Museum. I will visit a museum. Park. I will walk in a park. Market. I will go to a market. Temple. I will visit a temple. Palace. I will see the old palace. Food. I want to try local food. Language. I will learn a few words in the language. Guide. I will read a guidebook. Map. I will use a map. Ticket. I will buy a train ticket. Hotel. I will sleep in a hotel. Hostel. I will stay in a hostel sometimes. Plane. I will take a plane. Train. I will take a train. Boat. I will take a boat. Camera. I will bring a camera. Passport. I need a passport. Visa. I will check if I need a visa. Money. I will save money. Bag. I will pack a small bag. Repeat these words slowly. You can pause the video and say them out loud. Practice helps a lot. Now I will give more practice with short travel dialogues. I will speak as one person. You can repeat both parts if you like. Listen and repeat. Hello. Where are you from? I am from Mexico. What place do you want to visit? I want to visit Japan. Why do you want to go? I want to see the cherry trees and eat sushi. How long will you stay? I will stay for 2 weeks. That is a good plan. You can change the names and places. Try this dialogue with a friend. Try it alone too. Now I will give some tips to help you plan a trip. These are simple tips. Repeat after me. Make a list of places to see. Make a list of places to see. Check the weather. Check the weather. Save money for the trip. Save money for the trip. Learn a few words in the local language. Learn a few words in the local language. Pack light. Pack light. Buy tickets early. Buy tickets early. Try local food. Try local food. Be friendly to people. Be friendly to people. Keep your documents safe. Keep your documents safe. Have fun while you learn. Have fun while you learn. Now some practice with the phrase I want to. Repeat after me. I want to visit Spain. I want to visit Spain. I want to try new food. I want to try new food. I want to see old buildings. I want to see old buildings. I want to walk in small streets. I want to walk in small streets. I want to take many photos. I want to take many photos. You can make your own sentences. Make a list of 5 places you want to visit. Say one sentence for each place. You can pause the video now and do this. Pause now. Now I will give an exercise. I will name a place. You say one sentence about why you want to go. I will speak slowly. Paris, you say a sentence about Paris now. Tokyo, you say a sentence about Tokyo now. Iceland, you say a sentence about Iceland now. New York, you say a sentence about New York now. Rome, you say a sentence about Rome now. Remember, you can pause and think. Pause the video and say your sentences out loud. Practice makes your English better. I will now share a small story about a trip. Listen and repeat. This story uses simple English. Last year I had a small trip in my mind. I wanted to visit a small island. I planned the trip for 3 months. I saved money. I read about the island. I learned a few words in the language. I booked a ticket. I packed a small bag. I took a plane and a boat. I arrived and I met kind people. I tasted new food. I walked on the beach. I saw a beautiful sunset. I was happy. I learned new things. I made friends. The trip was very good. I will travel again. You can make your own short trip story. Use 5 sentences. You can pause now and write or say your story. Now I will give a few pronunciation tips. Speak slowly. Open your mouth. Say each word clearly. Do not worry about mistakes. Practice is more important than being perfect. Try to listen and repeat. Try to copy the rhythm and the sounds. Try to smile when you talk. Smiling helps your voice sound friendly. I will now say one more long example introduction. This is a model you can use when you meet a new person. Listen and repeat. Hello. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I work as a teacher. I love to travel. I want to visit many countries. I want to see mountains and cities. I want to try new food. I want to learn about culture and history. I plan to visit Japan next year. I also want to visit Italy. I want to visit small towns and big cities. I like to meet new people. I like to learn new words. If you like travel too, we can talk more. What places do you want to visit? I would like to hear your list. You can change the words to make it yours. Practice this introduction out loud. Pause and repeat each sentence now if you need time. Before we end, I will give a few simple practice goals. Try to do these in 1 week. Goal 1. Say your introduction 3 times. Goal 2. Learn 10 travel words and use them in a sentence. Goal 3. Make a list of 5 places you want to visit. Goal 4. Ask a friend where they want to travel. Goal 5. Watch a short travel video and try to repeat 1 sentence. These goals are easy. Small steps help you improve. Thank you for listening to this long lesson. I hope you feel ready to speak about places you want to visit. Remember to practice every day. Remember to pause and repeat. Remember to make simple sentences. Remember that travel English is a fun way to learn. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.